welcome back to another video. This Christmas has definitely been a special one, just because I got to spend time with my family. But to my surprise, I was also introduced to the next member of Apple family with the addition of my Apple Watch Series 6. In this video, I'll be doing my unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. It's been like 18 days and I've not got around to sort of placing it on my hand, and I've been getting comments from my family like why I'm not using it. So I figured I'll take this time to do the unboxing, and a couple of months time I'll probably do a review. When I say a couple of months, probably a month into it, and I'll do a review into how I find the Apple Watch itself. I'm super excited about this unboxing just because it's my first ever Apple Watch. The agenda that will be discussed within this video will be highlighted in the show notes below, so you guys can go to your relevant sections of the video, or alternatively you can watch the whole video. Apple Watch Series 6. The space gray aluminum case with a black sport band. Also got an additional loop band and a case from Amazon. I'll leave the links to all of these in the show notes below so you guys can check it out individually. But yeah, let's do this. Ta-da! So that's the main body, and that's the band. So let's just take this out and throw that in the bin. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna throw that in the bin. Ooh. So it does come in different sizes based on your wrist size. One of the things I did manage to sort of, when I was getting this band, I was able to get this measurement assessor that sort of highlights what size band you would require. I think it's completely free of charge, so you can like literally just go up to one of the Apple geniuses and they can give it to you, like, yeah, if you're in contention of getting one. I wasn't feeling the black silicone bands just because if I intend to work out and stuff, it's gonna sweat, and I hate that kind of feeling, that sweat feeling on your wrist. Ooh, let's see this. Okay. So we've got your standard conventional paperwork. There isn't much to it other than that. I would have thought they would put some stickers in there, but no. Right, so there's no charger included. It just has this port with the, I feel so skeptical taking off, so neatly packaged. So yeah, it has a standard USB that you can sort of attach to your monitor or your laptop, whatever it is, and you can charge it on that regards. I think Apple have sort of eliminated the whole charging brick because of the idea that they're assuming that you're a repeating customer, and it's an advantage to sort of limit waste. So yeah, that's the charging unit, and that's your USB cable. Okay, now for the bad boy. Oh, ta-da! Ooh, it feels very nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna push that out. Apple. It feels really light and nice and stuff. Yeah, so the new Series 6 does come with a new S6 processor. So to continue to connect Apple Watch to its charger, so I'm gonna try set this up. I've got a monitor right here, so I'm gonna put it into charge. Right, so I currently have the Apple Watch charging, and while it's charging, let's get the other band unpacked. So the new Apple Series 6 does endorse like 20% faster performance in comparison to its sister product, and which in hindsight is pretty good. So it has an updated case as well in gold. Okay, this is so much cooler, like, come on. So I'm gonna take it off charging. So that you had that connect, right? So that highlights that it's connected. And do the other side as well. But yeah, it fits perfectly fine. It's pretty nice, actually. I'm pretty pleased. I actually like it. I actually do really like it. It feels my wrist just got upgraded. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it to charge, and while it's charging, I'll wait for it to charge up and then I'll set it up. But I did forget to sort of unbox the case, and so yeah, let's just do that. So I acquired the case from Amazon. I'm not sure how much, probably like 10 bucks or something. I'll have the link available in the show notes below, and so you guys can check it out. But yeah, let's see how the case is. Ooh, it has a cloth, so that's pretty nice. You know what? While you guys are here, let's just do this now. So I'm gonna peel off. So satisfying. Okay. And that's the screen protector. Let's just get it aligned. And okay. Let's just get this aligned. So that goes there. And that goes there. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. I wish the screen protector is plastic. I don't know if I like it. Like, it seems tacky, like for some reason. It's like putting a $20 paint job on a Ferrari. Maybe not that, but you know what I mean. It just seems very. I'll see how I feel about it in a couple of days. If I don't like it, I'll probably take it off. That's the unboxing of the Apple iWatch. In the second segment, I'll probably go into its features. And it's a new updated casing in a color gold, but other colors are really prominent as well. It's just the red and the black and the blue. I think the blue looks pretty good. So I acquired the graphite. So I acquired the space gray with the aluminum case with the black sport band. 44 millimeters. The battery itself lasts up to 18 hours on a full charge with an improved faster charge time. It has the capability to determine your blood oxygen level from your wrist, and manually it takes about 15 seconds, but the readings are taken automatically. It also has an altimeter which can determine, so if you're going on a hike, it can determine level distances you are on. So yeah, so the back of the watch is designed to incorporate and measure your O2 readings. So it has 4 LED sensors, clusters, and 4 photodiodes. Thank you again for watching this video, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, or liking this video. And if you have any sort of feedback or thought reviews on my editing, please let me know what I can do to improve on it, and I'll look forward to your comments in the comments down below.